As a person who was being introduced to James and Fuhad via seeing their apology, I don't know if I should be yapping about this, but I'm going to. So after I watched what seemed like a really rushed apology wherein taking accountability was basically just like, we're human, I had to seek out the clip. Like, what did y'all do to make niggas that mad? So I click the search bar and immediately a video pops up of these two on a man's podcast, Take Your Vitamins, and nothing stuck out to me about a podcast. It seemed like typical male with podcast behavior until I heard that man say, Kendrick fans, get him. Immediately knew everything I needed to know about the two black men on the couch. That was the nastiest dog whistle. Because of the line in the rap beef that made that dog whistle possible, which is when Drake said, Kendrick always rapping like you're trying to get the slaves freed. We've had so many conversations as an app and, all over the world about what it means to be a part of a culture versus just in it. And the second they heard that dog whistle and didn't clock it right there, told me exactly which one they are. In their apology video, they said something along the lines of like, it was like fight or flight. In the moment, fight or flight, both of them froze. But that begs the question, what were y'all afraid of? It's not given that they were afraid of what he said, because from what I'm hearing now, it seems like they say things similar often. It's giving we are afraid because usually we don't defend when things like that are said around us. And now that we have this audience that is made up of people that will 100% expect us to defend, we don't know what to do in this moment. To kiki and move on from that dog whistle, knowing the line that made it possible, when Kendrick response himself was once upon a time all of us was in chains, but he still doubled down calling us some... Okay.